forward to taking you on another test drive with our new MAN truck generation. Today we will be on the road with our TGS 4-axle tipper, and of course, among other things, we will visit places where our baby feels most comfortable, away from paved roads. Let's start. Large door opening angle, interlocking step edges, a flexibly suspended first entry step, and the straight handrails allow comfortable and safe entry into the cab. Steering wheel also has an enlarged adjustment range from very flat for easy entry to relatively steep for a car-like setting. The new seat generation with MAN exclusive seat contours offers comfort in every driving situation. The extended longitudinal adjustment range offers ideal seating comfort for both small and tall drivers. A lot more has changed in the interior. For example, the dashboard is tilted towards the driver and all controls are within easy reach. The interior color here is moon gray. It is timeless and particularly insensitive to dirt, ideal for use on construction sites and in distribution. MAN Smart Select is unique in the truck industry. The palm rest and push-turn control allow the navigation destination, for example, to be entered without error even on bumpy terrain. We have therefore deliberately dispensed with a touch display. I can read all information concerning the status of the vehicle, like fill levels, by using the 12.3-inch sized fully digital instrument cluster. To ensure that there is enough space for information in the central area, the round instruments are equipped with opposing pointers. The vehicle is running. You can set the drive mode very easily by using the Tip-matic control lever. If you tilt it forwards, you're in D and ready to go. The electric parking brake has moved to the dashboard, so we can start the vehicle simply by accelerating. The ACC Stop and Go, the distance-controlled cruise control, automatically maintains the correct distance to the vehicle in front, even in stop-and-go traffic. This means that the vehicle stops and starts automatically. As safety equipment on board this vehicle, we have the LDW lane departure warning system. The camera behind the windshield registers if we leave the lane, and the system makes a warning sound. This is the warning sound that tells us that we have left the lane. After crossing the lane several times, the MAN attention guard tells us it's time for a break. Depending on the driving situation, I can select the optimal driving mode via the MAN Tip-matic. I select the off-road mode via the rotary wheel on the steering column lever for more bite when I'm driving off-road. For the tough off-road use, we have some features in the exterior. For example, the 3-part steel bumper, 3-part, because damaged parts can be easily replaced outside. In the middle section, behind the license plate, we have the towing mouth. Underneath it, the front step-up bar to be able to clean the windscreen safely. As an option, towing shackles are mounted here. The full LED headlights in the steel bumper provide wider and brighter illumination for better visibility. The headlights are protected by stone chip guards, and they can even be combined with a headlight cleaning system. The ideal angle of the bumper is rounded off by the flexible suspension of the lower step, which folds to the rear when hitting an obstacle. Tilt and move forward slowly, a supreme skill. Let's see if I can manage it. The power takeoff on the engine side allows us to do that. We switch on the power takeoff in neutral mode. Set the gear to D and I operate the tipping bridge. Normally, this creates a nice, even gravel carpet. A typical situation on a construction site. The construction site ladder allows me to view the load. Good grip prevents slipping. Together with a handrail on the roof, I have an absolutely secure stand. Our MAN TGS also offers some valuable assistance systems for off-road use, such as the MAN Easy Start. It enables us to start safely without rolling back on a gradient. I stop on an incline, the system is automatically activated and thus allows me to move away without rolling back. The MAN Easy Control, a particularly important equipment feature, is perfect for use in the industry. In addition to the hazard lights, which we can switch on from the outside in a flash, as well as the working lights, in this case, the engine start-stop and power takeoff must be switched on and off again. To dump the load, I now activate the engine, the power takeoff, and the load is dumped. Off-road ABS is a safety feature for off-road use. In this case, the normal ABS is reduced to facilitate a brake wedge on snow and gravel, for example. By slightly locking the wheels, the vehicle comes to a halt more quickly on this type of surface. A stuck vehicle can sometimes only free itself through fast forward and backward movements, the so-called free-swinging. Our transmission's free-swinging function enables us to free the vehicle by opening and closing the clutch faster and more directly by pressing the accelerator pedal.